And I'm shooting this bitch a bird. Cause it just like right here for no fucking reason. Y'all need to stop following up behind them children. Cause them children ain't doing nothing wrong. They just riding their damn bicycle. Make no damn sense. Fuck about you standing right there watching me. It's some weird shit. Weird as hell. Come out here with them damn Mexicans out here. The fuck? To that thing. Make no damn sense. Baby, I don't have no more. My little grandbaby, she be running through all my band-aids. I don't have not one more left. I don't. I'm sorry, sugar. You said ice? Girl, I ain't even got that. I got to plug up my ice machine. I haven't even did that yet because it haven't got hot enough.